Welcome back to part 3 of the Yamaha RD350 Cafe Racer build. So in part 2 of this build, I stripped all the rust off and got this thing powder coated, as well as the wheels, the fork tubes, the triple clamps. Everything was powder coated black. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting everything together and building a big brake kit, also furnishing the wheels. So yeah guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay guys, I got the first fork together. Okay, so rebuilding the forks, not too difficult. Oh snap. That's perfect. There goes the wiper seal. Alright guys, I got the forks assembled and rebuilt. That's my first time ever rebuilding forks. I did make a few mistakes, so I had to pull them back apart, rearrange the shims. I put them back together and now they cycle and they work properly, flawlessly. Measure the fluid from the top while it's bottomed out. I went ahead and installed some aftermarket heavier springs in here from Racetech, 80 kilograms. They're better suited for my weight and for very heavy performance driving. Now guys, there's actually a company that makes billet triple clamps for the RD350 and RD400. And as you can see, this piece is absolutely beautiful. This triple clamp has built-in dial indicator lights and it is seamless. So this looks way better than this right here. I mean, just look at this blocky chunk of mess. So I also got a set of clip-on handlebars to pair with the triple mount. I think it's gonna look really nice. This is the oversized brake rotor that I'm going to be running. It's off a Yamaha FZR 600. Coincidentally, the same hub diameter and the same bolt pattern. So that's just going to bolt right up. Since the offset is off, I'm going to have to sacrifice the stock rotor and use that as a spacer to space out the brake rotor. Alright guys, so we're at my buddy Joe's place, and the spacer that I actually cut off from the stock rotor, we're going to turn down a little bit, mostly just for looks. Safety squints, Engaged. So that is the original rotor for comparison, and this is the new one we're putting on there. So that's a huge difference in looks and weight, but it's just gonna go like that. And then this rotor will just slide over like that. So these 4-pot brakes are too big, and I don't think I could get them to work without seriously removing a bunch of material off this caliper, which really wouldn't be safe. I could also space this rotor further out, but we're already pushing the limit. These are very narrow forks. I'm probably gonna have to size down and run this Triumph caliper, and as you can see, it actually fits perfect. It clears the spokes, and we would just have to make a really simple bracket to shift those holes upwards, and I think it should be perfect. Okay, so now we're going to be furnishing the rear rim, and this is going to be really hard. So we're doing a 520 chain conversion, switching to an aluminum sprocket, and man, the difference is huge. These wheels already weigh a crap ton, so that's why I'm going with the aluminum sprocket. Alright guys, so I'm going to be upgrading the stock stator with an upgraded HBI CDI system. This is a really light flywheel paired with the charging system and a billet adapter plate. So I already went ahead and pulled this off. Well guys, it took quite a bit of work to get to the States, so the least you can do is leave a like for me and share this video with a friend. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this bike is turning out. This is going to be a one-of-a-kind. Not a lot of cafe racers are monoshock or even two-stroke for that matter. So yeah, I'm really excited for this build. Now guys, I did order a really expensive set of pipes from Spain, and they're about to come in here in a few weeks. I think I ordered them like 3 months ago. They're finally about to come in, so I'm really excited for that. Now if any of you guys want to give me some input on my HPI CDI system, how I can set it up, and also how I can stiffen up my rear suspension easily without having to do a linkage, let me know in the comments or send me an email. Gladly appreciate that. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll have to catch you in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace and God bless.